In this video, I want to take you through the Dotonbori in Osaka. So sit back, get some popcorn, and enjoy one of the craziest experiences I had in Japan. Good morning. We have just made it to Osaka. We're at the Kitenhama station. We're gonna go check in our luggage at the Airbnb and go and get some food. But Osaka time. Let's go. Alright guys, we are in Dotonbori
In Osaka.
in Osaka. I want to show you how hectic it is. The camera is going to be very shaky and it's pretty hectic. Let's go.
Let's go.
So we just had to get into this like laneway.
I mean, it divides into so many streets. It's a whole big area of just shops, restaurants, street food.
We start from there. We got up here. I don't have a look.
Look what it is. My favorite store.
But we're not here for Pop Mart. I want to show you, look at this. There's so many people that I'm putting my hand up. Here it is. The beast of Dotonbori. How busy this street is. I mean, there was a homeless guy sleeping here before, but they must have moved him. You got all the bright lights. People here are lining up. They're lining up for the street food. This is way more hectic than Kyoto. I think Kyoto was much more chilled out. Tokyo was more modern, but this gives me real Southeast Asia vibes. Condensed street food. Dotonbori, this entire street and area was established back in 1600s. What you see today is the evolution of what once was just a small local street food area that has now become the most famous entertainment street in Osaka. I can't wait to come here at night and see what crazy stuff happens. We're at the canal that connects the Dotonbori Street. We got people waving at us. Hello. You can hop onto that boat over there. People here are lining up.
So much better at night, guys. Like,
Cooler?
so much cooler. Less people too.
Surprisingly, yeah, on this area, I remember during the day it was way more people. A much nicer walk as well. And the water, it was green during the day, but at night,
Well, because it's dark, you can't really see.
but it's not like black. I don't know if the camera is picking up on it, but it's like dark green in a way, and almost like coal green. It's a very fascinating color. And also one thing we noticed was that this canal smells like chlorine. So I think they actually are keeping it clean.
Yeah, clean the water.
Pretty cool thing. But here's a boat coming. Out of all the tourist things you can do here, I reckon this one will be pretty cool. We took the train from Kyoto. You can take the bullet train to Osaka. It's like 12 minutes. But we just took the normal limited express train to our station near the hotel, and you could see Osaka Castle on the way, which is pretty nice. And it was actually cheaper than the bullet train experience. We got a musician here. B, why don't you tell us what you've seen on the street?
A lot of street food. So what Osaka is popular for is their takoyaki and okonomiyaki. We've seen a lot of Kobe beef skewers as well, selling on the street. They'll cook it fresh right in front of you. So
Like this.
everything is hot when you get it.
You got the Wagyu straight on the street.
Yeah.
We're gonna try the what Osaka is known for. Takoyaki.
I want some takoyaki. I love
100%.
takoyaki.
And what's in it?
It's pieces of octopus.
Yeah.
It's in a bowl, batter bowl, and then they have this skewer tray that has the bowl shape, and it cooks in there.
All right. Let's go find the place.
Don Quijote.
Check that out. So you guys can see, this is the Ibisu, one of the 7 lucky gods known for good fortune. And it's connected to the donkey store. Basically a 24-hour store where they sell everything. Anything you can imagine. At discount prices.
You will walk in there and things that you wouldn't even know
Need.
exist, like you would just buy it.
This is the famous
Takoyaki. You see the bonito flakes moving?
This is what Osaka's famous for. Let's try out Osaka's main meal.
Dash is struggling right now. It's burning his mouth.
I really like that. I think it's really good. It's competitive here. A lot of these places, they all have to be good. This is a hit, certified meal. Osaka delivers. People come here and they imitate that pose. That running man pose up here, or the running man drawing, was done in 1935. It just symbolizes running into success. And people will come, they'll do their pose and get their photos. But it's a sick drawing. It's been redone over the years, but it symbolizes the same thing, and it's become a symbol of Osaka. I reckon what they need to do a sleeping man one for people like me and you. We just sleep and rest.
I think that would be more popular than the running man.
I feel like it.
More people can relate to that.
I feel like a sleeping man one would be more popular. People are just chilling here on the side. You know, they're drinking, eating, families, kids. And I think it's just, yeah, it's a great atmosphere. I think this is the perfect weather. If you were to come here during winter time or even cooler weather, it would not be even as enjoyable. I love these buildings. Japan's very good with their neon lighting. Look at these party animals. Those guys are partying too hard. Okay, Veenin, tell us, what are your thoughts
I think
on?
this is probably my favorite part of Japan so far.
Yeah,
I think just like the vibes, the fact that like the whole river runs through this place and every shop is just right next to
this
it.
canal just goes through us. Hope you enjoyed Dotonbori.